Lay home ma, everyone. Will Young here. I hope you've been enjoying my vegan recipe videos, and I'm very humbled for your subscriptions so far. I wanted to take a few minutes to announce that I'm revamping my channel to more than just recipe videos. To be honest, I've been wanting to make this change for over a year. I know that seems like a long time and I'm a little bit slow, but truthfully, I was living in this almost fear that if I changed my channel, people might get confused or it might seem like my channel is all over the place. But actually, I came to this conclusion that I do a lot more than cook vegan food, and I wanted to share that with you. I'm actually not a professional cook. I am a wedding and commercial photographer, and I work on a lot of other projects as an entrepreneur. So some of the things I would love to include in the future are videos about photography, about video, maybe about music. I'm actually also a professional violinist, but I'm also working to include videos about entrepreneurship and of course, cooking videos. I've had an incredible amount of support from your likes and your kind words and your comments. I sincerely hope that you guys will stick around and grow with my channel. I hope the new content won't confuse you or annoy you, but rather give my channel a little bit more personality, and I will try also to add more value to your everyday life. If you'd like to check out my photography website, it's wiphotography.com, and of course for recipes, it's veganrev.com. Be sure to stay tuned. My next video is one of my favorite recipes and is perfect for the summer weather.